Control number 44894, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Marpil Actautaw, 36 years old. I have two daughters. She is 12 and 14. I have two brothers and one sister. I am two in family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm I'm high school graduate, ma'am, and my school is Capas High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong for my future of my daughter.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW? Where? What kind of work you had?
Nothing, ma'am. I already driving experience in Philippines.
Aside from your driving skill, what other special skill you can do?
I'm hardworking, pet care, and household.
Describe yourself as a driver. What are your characteristics that your employer will like you?
I'm managing my time and I'm flexible with hours.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
They say sorry, ma'am.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
If ever hurt me, ma'am, I'm do my very best and promise I I promise to finish my contract with 2 years or more than 2 years. Thank you, ma'am.